on YouTube. This video is for anyone looking at a BMW E90 that's having a intermittent no start or really extended long crank time to get the car started. Finally barreled it down to this guy, fuel pressure regulator for what I think this is, and what was happening is we had a trickle of fluid coming out in front of the line, and this gas here is what came out of that thing. Black. Get better sight here. And the sun, so you guys can see. That came out of that little unit. Pretty much I had all these lines off, everything taken off, and there was fuel coming in through this hose. I had to chew this thing up to get it off, but fuel was coming in through here. We had no fuel going out to the main line. I mean, I had this thing off and I was cranking the car, and it was just like a little drizzle, like nowhere near enough fuel to start the car. Kind of like a headache to find, but definitely want to service it if you guys don't. Maybe use some good fuel, or the fuel system cleaner may help, but really it's just clogged up. Like it just over time just got clogged up, needs to get changed out. So you want to make sure when you're pumping fuel, you guys don't get a bunch of crap inside your fucking tank, because if you look here inside this tank, there's a bunch of shit down there. The back east car. So I don't know what happened with it, but there's a bunch of debris in there. We're gonna be cleaning all that out. Trying to clean it out anyway, best they can. Another symptom of it was that it would stumble and stutter, almost start, then it wouldn't. Cranking. We had spark, got fuel injection pulse. We just had no fuel coming out. Clean this thing up. I'm gonna try it again and see what happens, but more than likely this is gonna be my problem because we had no fuel pressure up there. So, alright guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps somebody out with the E90. It's got a problem very similar with an extended crank time. And we have spark and fuel injection pulse. We got no fuel pressure. And the pump's working fine. You hear the pump running, which I did, so which led me to look at this thing. Alright guys.